You make me happy.
Hey, this is Jason from JSM Computer Solutions. Today we're going to go over the basics of Windows 8 and just some basic functionality, what it looks like. It's probably good for uh, new PC buyers, people looking to upgrade to Windows 8. Basically, I just want to show you how everything looks and just how a few of the things have changed a little bit. This is what you can see up there now is the way the screensaver is now. And so what we're going to do, we're going to go in, type our password in. Oh, guess I need to put the right password in. Alright, so it comes up to your desktop, which is now your desktop is kind of sort of the same as your start menu. This is the main thing that comes up to. So basically you have here on your left side all the Windows applications that have been installed. Um, you're messaging your people that you have. And what's going to happen is when you install or do your first startup of Windows 8, it's going to make you set up a user, and you're going to put your user email address in. Once you put that in, if you have like Facebook and all that stuff linked to it, it's going to come up on this page here under messaging will be your Facebook. If you have a Yahoo account, your email will be here. Corporate accounts, your email will be there. People that you know will probably be pulled from your Facebook. And then you have your desktop, and that will be like your normal desktop, like a Windows 7 desktop. You have Internet Explorer 10. You've got the Microsoft Store for applications and stuff that you can install, kind of like an Android store. Your Skydive is Windows Cloud backup. You got Maps, basic news. In this middle part here, you have basically news coverage. That basically pulls from Bing. Here you got your travel information that you can use. You can travel different places, that type of thing. Your games, your camera, your music, and your video. That's how you access it all there. Then on this right side here is where you're going to access your extra applications that you've installed. So if you put Microsoft Office, it's going to be over here on the right side, as with my Dropbox and that type of thing. So basically what we're going to do is first we're going to go to our desktop so I can show you how to get back to your start menu. So once we get to the desktop, this is what it looks like here. Looks pretty much like Windows 7. The main difference is that you don't have your little start bar over here anymore. And what they've done is they've kind of hid that. So if you hover over here in the bottom left, you can see it again. So if you click on it, it brings you back here. So you're probably wondering where your run functionalities are. How do I get to device manager and that type of thing. So now what you have to do is go over here in the right corner and be very careful, because if you move it too much it won't stay. You got to right try that again. Right click, there we go, on the start menu, and then that will pull up all of your different things. So you can see your programs, your power options, computer management, command prompts right there, task manager, run, which is a big one that I use a lot. So that's how you get into those functions. Now the other thing you have to do to get to control panel and stuff like that, if you hover over the right corner over here, you're going to get another set of options over here. And this will also give you your time and your date and battery options and stuff like that on the left side. But your search functions right here at the top, and then your sharing options are here. You can go back to the start menu. You have devices, and then you have settings. I'm going to bring you into the settings portion. The other ones, if you're familiar with Windows 7, you pretty much know what they are. But when you go into settings here, this is where you can get into your control panel. You can personalize it, where you can change your background and icons and stuff like that. Your PC info, you know, to see how much memory you have and that type of thing. At the bottom here, that's where your network card's going to be. So your network can tell you, your information there, your audio notifications, where you can power off your PC. But the one I want to show you is the change PC settings. So when you click on change PC settings, it's going to bring you to a whole other set of menus. I'm just going to run through these really quick. My later videos will go through each one a little bit more. So you have personalize here. So this is where you can lock your screen and change passwords around and change your start screen. You can actually do picture passwords and stuff like that. You have your users, notifications, let's see, devices you can go to and see all your extra devices for multimedia. This is where you can change your Wi-Fi settings. This is on a virtual machine, so I don't have any Wi-Fi right now. Your sync settings and your Windows updates. This is one of the ways you can get the Windows update. What else we want to do? Just go into search and see what that looks like. So here you can go and type for an application here to find whatever app you're looking for. This is also where you can, and I'll go into this later in another video, this is also where you can install Windows features. This is how I had to install Windows Media Center, which after January 31st, 2012, you'll actually have to pay $40 to get it. It won't be free anymore. I would not upgrade to Windows 8 for that feature. It is basically the same as Windows 7 Media Center. I didn't see any differences whatsoever. No extra functionality, no changes in icons or anything. So let's see, let's take a look at another couple things here. Let's go to devices. And this is where if you had devices, just, like your printers and stuff, that's where that would be. And your share settings. You don't have any apps to share, so that's where you would change those options. And that's pretty much a basic overview of Windows 8. There's a section where you can change your under the user section, you can actually change your email address to a local account, just like a Windows 7 or XP box. But at first, it makes you put this in under your email address. But that's all I got for you today. Check out some of our other videos at www.jsmcomputersolutions.com. Feel free to send us any emails on questions or anything like that, and look for our next videos on how to change some of the configurations in Windows 8. Thank you.